The path of truth, healing, and the heart flow they as one. One comes from another, then flow back again, forming an endless circle. Truth must come from the heart, and only through truth can ye heal. Call upon the green rays of the heart, Lord. Call upon his name, O Great One. Bring me thy green flame from the fire of thy light. Strengthen my heart, heal my soul, bring me healing, by which, O Great One, heal the all. I bring the wisdom of the all in all to all. I, Thoth the Atlantean, speak the words of the ages to ye. Hear my word, seek my wisdom, for the might of the all is in all things. Seek the truth, seek it in the light, for all things that are of the light are life, and all things that are of life have the power of the all in them. Seek not truth in the words of dead men, for they speak only of death. List ye not to it, nor repeat it, for ye shall surround thyself only with death. Seek not life in death, for ye shall only find death. The Word of God is coded within all strands of life. Life is light, and death only comes from the night. Seek not to put food within thy body that comes from death, for it will only bring ye further down on the path of decay. Do not pollute the temple of God. Keep thy temple clean. Clean it with the might of the light. Bring not dark things into thy temple, for the gates will be shut before ye, and the dweller will not rise from within. Clean thy temple, clear thy mind, clear them by the might of fire that burns bright into the night. Clean it, clear it, for only the pure may stand before the seat of the seven. Only the pure may rise from the ashes of night. Only the pure will seek wisdom and find it. This thy goal should be, my children. Keep the temple of God clean and clear, so the dweller may one day sit on his throne of light. Seek ye not to pollute thy mind with the words coming from the dark, for ye shall only fall deep within the chasm of empty souls, wandering till eternity's end in the endless nothingness of the night. When one comes to ye, speaking words of wisdom, weigh his words in thy heart. Listen to the words of thy fellow man with thy heart always. For only through the gate of truth can ye truly see. Only through the gate of truth can ye seek and find wisdom. For my children, know that wisdom is all. Be well, children of man.